Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I am very excited to introduce another project. In this project I integrated WhatsApp Cloud API and Webhook in Google Sheet with the help of Google Apps Script. This is the Google Sheet I designed to achieve different purposes. First, using this Google Sheet, I can get all template details from Meta official cloud portal. And next, in this Google Sheet, I can schedule a specific template message to send each and every single lead for marketing, promotion, campaigning or follow-up purposes. Also, in this Google Sheet, I can track each and every WhatsApp message status, like messages sent, delivered, read, or for any reason it is failed, then I can see the status directly in the Google Sheet. Also, I can capture the replies from user or customer in the Google Sheet, and from this Google Sheet I can reply to any question or any message to the user or customer directly. Again, in the Google Sheet I can select the drop down phone number of specific customer to see all chatting history with the specific customer or user. Now let's move on to the next part of this video to see how it is working. At first, in the template sheet, you can see all template details here. Now, I created here a button which is menu button. Under this menu button, I created many sub-menu buttons. If I go to templates, I will click on reset templates to delete all data. Okay, all data is now deleted. Now if I go to menu, to templates and get templates, then I will get all data again. Here you can see I got template name, template body, language, header media type, and also I got the variables. Here I can see for example, this is our template text, body text. Here I can see a variable. This is the first variable and this is the second variable. Anyway, now for example, I want to send a WhatsApp template message to a customer. For example, now I will send it to myself for testing. At first, from this drop down, I will select a specific template to schedule, and this is the template will be sent to all customer. Right now I've selected a specific template, and okay, I will delete these details and I will write my phone number and I will copy these details from here and I will paste below. Okay, and again I have to map the details. For example, in the templates I selected, this is the template I want to send, and in the template sheet, this is the template I have to map here. For example, I want to this is the image in the header section I have to send, and the media type I will select dynamic media. This is the image will be generated from a specific template. I am using Google Slide to generate the template, and for mapping I will select the first one. I have to check this is the amount and this is the voucher code. So I have to map here which column the script should pick the value for this specific variable. Column A has amount and I has the voucher code. So I will write here H and I, and here I have to paste here the dynamic template link. Okay, this is the template. This is a Google Slide I'm using as template. So this is the placeholder which is inside this double bracket, and inside the double bracket there is the age. It means data from column age in the Google Sheet will be replaced here in the specific variable. And there's one more variable. This is the variable for K column and this variable for column I column. So now I will copy this URL, this template URL, and I will paste it here. Now I will test it from menu. Okay, first I will show you the last message which one I received. This is the last message I sent. Now I will test it. I will click on menu, messaging, and test messaging. It will send a single message. Okay, I will wait. Okay, I received the message ID, and very soon I will get the status of this message. I will wait for few seconds to get the status. Okay, now I received the status sent. Now if I move to my WhatsApp account, okay, this is the message I received, and this is the image which one is generated using the script from Google Slide. And now here you can see the placeholders are updated with the real value. Okay, now I opened this message, means I read this message, means the status of this specific WhatsApp message should be updated. Now if I move to this sheet, you can see the status has been updated as read. Now I will show you the next one, which is capturing the text message from user or customer. For example, if I type here what is your name, then this is the message will be logged here in this Google Sheet. Here you can see it has appeared at top of the sheet. Here you can see the same message, what is your name. At the same time I received the timestamp, profile name, phone number, and the reply which one I sent from my WhatsApp as a user or customer. If I want to reply to this specific customer, then I will write here something. For example, I want to write the reply Debu M, and now this is the message will be sent automatically to this specific customer or user. Now you can see this is the message has appeared here. Okay, now sorry, I received one pop-up that the message is sent. So I will type here another name, for example Debu, and I will receive something like okay. And also in the sheet, if any message is read, sent, or failed, the status will come here in this column J, and the timestamp will come here in column H. For example, I want to filter the chatting history. I can select the specific phone number. For example, if I select this number, I can see the chatting history. And if I select this is the phone number, which is my phone number, now you can see this is the chatting history. For example, I received the message what is your name, and I replied Debu, and all these things. Anyway, that's how it's working. This is the Google Sheet will work for any WhatsApp cloud account. You have to just register the API credential here in this Google Sheet. You have to register the details like WhatsApp account ID, phone number ID, and access token. If you paste here all these details and save credential, if you click on this button, then it will work for that just particular or just specific WhatsApp cloud account. It means this is the ready-made product or ready-made Google Sheet can be used for any WhatsApp cloud account. Anyway, if you need this Google Sheet, and if you need the source code for these functions, then you can contact me directly. My WhatsApp number and email are given in the description box. Also these are given in the comment section. You can check it out. Anyway, you can see the scripts like server script and Webhook, JSON processing, track message status, save replies, and send replies. And this is the HTML form which one I just open to paste the details like WhatsApp account ID, phone number ID, and access token. Anyway, if you need this complete Google Sheet, or if you want a customized Google Sheet, then you can contact me. Anyway, thanks for your time to watch this video till end. See you again. Bye bye.